Hey guys, second restore. So for better or worse, whenever I make this particular work trip, it's always the same route, so it's always the same restores. Lots of blades, but nothing anything particularly cool. Those are probably the most useful, but still not anything I would jump over. Saturn copy, those are cool. Yep, not seeing anything here either, but that's how these restore trips usually pan out. Most of them you find nothing, and then one rare one you find something really cool. What are these? I don't know what they are. Audio, it's like a Bluetooth speaker kind of thing. Okay, I'm gonna keep moving. Thanks for watching.